Hey, Angie Nelson here from theworkathomewife.com. Today's video is going to cover a topic that comes up frequently in the work at home wife community, and that is how can I make cash fast? There are going to be, we all encounter instances where maybe have some unexpected bills come up. Maybe a bill you were expecting is way larger than what you anticipated, or maybe you just have a bit of an emergency that needs covered quickly. And those are some of the things we're going to be talking about today, is ways that you can make money in just one day. Now, some of these may require a little bit of setup in advance, so even if you don't need the cash now, you may want to look into getting these put in place so that anytime that emergency does arrive, you can make sure that it's covered. Now, please make sure you stay until the end of the video to find out how you can learn more about these great opportunities, in addition to some other great ways that you can make money on your own terms. Now, the first opportunity for some same-day cash we're talking about today ties back to a video that I published last week, and that is making money by driving. There's some great apps out there that are going to allow you to make money on your own terms and in your own vehicle. And the first one we're talking about is Uber. This is a company that most of us are familiar with today, as it's available nationwide here in the US. Most cities are covered by Uber drivers. And this one, it's one that you are going to want to get put into place, as I just said. There is a little bit of an onboarding time. The application process and the training can take about a week or so in order to get put into place. But once that is done and you are an approved driver, you can log in and start working anytime that you want. And that's the same day. You don't need to sign up for a schedule in advance. If it's a Saturday night and your plans fell through, you can pick out your app, log in, and start picking up rides. Now, the reason that Uber is getting on this list today is because they now offer instant payments. Typically, they do pay just once per week, but they now allow you to cash out any earnings up to 5 times a day. That is really going to come in handy if you need some fast cash, and this is a great way you can earn it. And Lyft is another company in the same sector that is also offering same-day payments, so you may want to check into those two and maybe sign up with both. Now, our next opportunity to make some same-day cash is going to be an obvious one. Sell some of the stuff from around your house. We all have, closets full of clothes we don't wear, basements with things we've collected over the years that we no longer need. And sometimes when you're in a desperate situation like this, you just need to get real with yourself about whether these things are ever going to be put to good use again. If the answer is no, get rid of them. And there are some great ways that you can turn them over for same-day cash. You obviously may be able to get a little bit more money by going online and selling through things like eBay or online selling sites like that, but those take some time. You may not be able to get them sold on the same day that you need that cash. So you may need to look into your own community. There are some great consignment stores across the US, like Plato's Closet, that will allow you to get rid of some clothes that you have on hand that you aren't using anymore. You may want to look into the letgo app, which will allow you to sell a lot of different things. You can even list some of your items in local buy-sell groups on Facebook. Those are really popular these days and can be a great way to pick up some extra cash. Now, another great place to look for extra money is going to be on Craigslist. Craigslist has what is called a gig section. Now, unlike traditional employment, these are often just one-time jobs. They may be placed there by an individual that needs something like, say, moving something. Maybe they don't have a pickup and they need an item of furniture moved. Maybe they need someone to come over and do a little light cleaning for them, doing some yard work, things like that they just need done this one time and on short notice, and it's going to be placed in the gig section there. This can be a great way to pick up some money locally in your own community. There is also going to be some opportunities for companies as well. Often there you will find things like brand ambassadorships that are listed there, or maybe event crew. those can actually pay pretty well in some cases, and some of them do offer same-day pay. So there is something you want to keep an eye on is the Craigslist gig section. Now, always when you're dealing with Craigslist, you are going to want to take some safety precautions there. Make sure that you look into the person that you're going to be working with, or you let someone know where you're going to be at and when to expect you home. And you'll also want to make sure that you work out all of the payment details in advance, and preferably in writing. That can be by email. And you may want to make sure that you are getting paid in cash so that you're not stuck with a bad check at the end of the day. And maybe you can create your own Craigslist ad with some of the services that you can offer locally. Maybe you can do things like light loading and moving of furniture and things like that. Maybe you're available to do some deliveries. You can also brainstorm some other services that you can offer based on your skills. Maybe you can do some gutter cleaning or light housework, mobile car washing, things along those lines that a lot of people want done. They just don't want to do them themselves, but they may be able to spend a little bit of cash in order to have someone else do them for them. Now, those are just a couple of the ways that you can make money on short notice anytime that you need to. I'd love to hear some of your experiences. If there is something that you've done to pick up some quick cash, I'd love for you to leave me a comment below and share with the community some of the ideas that you have as well. As always, I'll leave you some links in the description below where you can learn about some of these opportunities in addition to some other money-making opportunities that are available. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a share, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you'll get notification of the next video. Until then, I wish you best of luck in your money-making ventures.